Hey guys, Toby Randall here from Harcourt's Rural on this stunning day over in Golden Bay. I'm really proud and privileged to bring you guys this fantastic property here in Takaka. If you're looking for a dairy farm with both scale, proven results and plenty of opportunity, you're going to want to check out this property. The farm's got these excellent wide laneways that flow from this side of the road through the underpass straight through to the cow shed. One thing quite unique about this property is it's got the two cow sheds, being this 30-a-side herringbone and the 20-a-side herringbone on the other side of the road. At peak, they're milking around 45, 50 cows. Left my trouble and struggle far behind. No more sorrow or worry on my mind. We're over at the second cow shed now, and as mentioned, this is 20-a-side herringbone. Certainly options just to carry on milking exactly as the operation runs now, or maybe develop the property, putting in a big central cow shed. One great thing about this block is all the mature trees scattered throughout, both giving stock shelter and giving the block a real character. The effluent system was upgraded around 2014, putting this 1.5 million litre Tasman tank that services both cow sheds. Well, the property enjoys a generous resource consent to irrigate. It's got about 20 hectares under the centre pivot and 167 hectares in K-line. Well, we're now on 1436 Takaka Valley Highway. This property was previously utilised as a dairy farm but is now used as a support block to the main dairy operation, but it could be sold separately, so there's plenty of options. Glory, glory, I've laid my burden down. Well, as you well know, dairy is a pretty hot commodity right now, and this property won't sit around for long. So if you're interested in this great property, get in touch with me, Toby Randall, Harcourt's Rural.